What station is this, my little sweet potato?
Boomfush now here. Boomfush now here. Boomfush now here.
Oh, so it is.
Becca! Becca, hey, oh my god, hey girl, how are you? Good? I know, like, I'm good, but I'm a little rusty. How are you? I bought these shoes. They were only like $300, but I just took a daddy's credit card. Yeah, he won't care. Oh my god, I'm on this train, everyone stinks. Yuck. So I'll be home for the weekend because I really want to come to all the college parties, but I'm telling mom and dad I'll be home for the election. Yeah, who are you voting for? Me too! I think Donald Trump is amazing. He's just going to be so good for America.